When it comes to cooking, your tools make all the difference. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan Set stands out as a must-have in the kitchen. Offering a perfect blend of functionality, sustainability, and style, this set of 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans is designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. Why choose GreenLife over competitors? 1. Safety first. Free of harmful toxins, ensuring healthier meals for your family. 2. Eco-conscious, a sustainable choice with materials sourced from recycled aluminum. 3. Unmatched nonstick performance. Foods glide effortlessly, making cooking and cleaning stress-free. 4. Durable build. Reinforced bases for strength and long-term reliability. 5. Affordable luxury. High-quality features at a competitive price point. What keeps customers coming back? Rivet-free interiors. The absence of rivets prevents food buildup, simplifying cleaning even further. Vibrant aesthetic. Available in bright, cheerful colors that add personality to your kitchen. Multi-stovetop compatibility. Works on all stovetops except induction, making it versatile for most households. Ergonomic design. Lightweight yet sturdy, offering a balance of functionality and comfort. Who should buy the GreenLife Frying Pan Set? This cookware set is ideal for health-conscious home cooks. If you're mindful of what goes into your meals, the toxin-free coating offers peace of mind. Busy families. Quick cleanup and easy handling make it perfect for households with tight schedules. Eco-friendly consumers. Those looking to make sustainable choices without compromising quality. Aspiring chefs. The performance and versatility of these pans make them an excellent addition to any kitchen arsenal. Key features of the GreenLife Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan Set. 1. Healthy ceramic nonstick coating. The pans feature Thermalon ceramic nonstick coating, a revolutionary material derived from sand. Unlike traditional coatings, this one is entirely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means your food remains free from harmful toxins, even when the pans are heated to high temperatures. Not only does this coating promote healthier cooking by reducing the need for excessive oils or fats, but it also ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup. From frying eggs to searing fish, these pans deliver exceptional nonstick performance every time. 2. Eco-friendly design. Sustainability is at the heart of the GreenLife brand. The cookware vessels, excluding handles, are crafted from 65% recycled aluminum, significantly reducing their environmental footprint. Additionally, the curing process of the ceramic coating emits 60% less CO2 compared to traditional non-stick coatings. By choosing this set, you're not only investing in high-quality cookware, but also contributing to a healthier planet for future generations. Number 3. Stay cool Bakelite handles. Safety and comfort are essential in any kitchen. The soft grip Bakelite handles are designed to remain cool during stovetop use, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip. This feature is especially beneficial for multitasking chefs who need reliable cookware they can handle without worry. 4. Wobble-free bases. Uneven heating can ruin a dish, but that's not a concern with the GreenLife frying pans. Each pan is equipped with a wobble-free base, providing extra strength and promoting even heat distribution. Say goodbye to hot spots and enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. 5. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Although the non-stick coating makes manual cleaning a breeze, these pans are also dishwasher safe. This adds an extra layer of convenience for those busy days when you need to spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your meal. 6. Oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Expand your culinary repertoire with these versatile pans that are oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're finishing a dish in the oven or keeping it warm, these pans can handle the job with ease. Final verdict. A must-have cookware set. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan Set offers a winning combination of safety, performance, and sustainability. From its toxin-free ceramic coating to its recycled aluminum construction, this set embodies innovation and responsibility. Whether you're preparing simple everyday meals or experimenting with gourmet recipes, these pans deliver consistent results with minimal effort. Affordable, stylish, and eco-friendly, the GreenLife Frying Pan Set is an investment you won't regret. Ready to elevate your cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.